was your experience with TDX India?
It was such a wonderful experience.
Excellent.
It's the biggest one in the world.
It was honestly incredible. It surpassed any expectation that I had.
I think it was very futuristic.
Everybody is so energized to get to know each other.
It was very nice. We learned a lot.
So it's been a wonderful experience because this is the largest Salesforce conference happening in India. So it's great to see all the people, listen to the leaders sharing their insights and then connect with all the product experts.
I had learning with fun.
This time it was fantastic.
I saw like
From keynote to the breakout to the theater session to demos and lots of engagement in the community cove. Everything awesome. A great experience.
thrilling and fabulous.
So it's a learning experience for me. I'll say awesome.
This is fantastic.
This time with Salesforce TDX, and I'm already enjoying the crowd.
Very insightful. Yeah, and very informative as well.
I'll say awesome. So we get to learn here a lot of things.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is very funful and very exciting.
This is more than one is knowing what's happening within the Salesforce. Second thing, it's a great opportunity to network with the community, right? So the Trailblazer community is one of the vibrant community in the globe across the industry.
It's too great to have it here. Like I network with people so many times. Like we are bonding each other, learning new skills. Salesforce is also promoting newer features, and so that's a very good learning opportunity for everyone.
Got to know more about Agentforce, interacted with people. So overall, it was good.
It's a wonderful opportunity for everybody who wants to stay up to date. And also networking with the people. It's a great opportunity that I have seen. I have spent a lot of great time connecting with the people, new friends and the old friends. So it's a good time, and overall it's a wonderful experience to be here at TDX.
Yeah, I really didn't think like it would be this much fun, and also like this is basically like learning how to learn the fun way. Yeah, I say it that way.
Awesome. But then also the company and the product that you love so much. It's pretty special. I don't think everyone gets to have that feeling. So I feel really lucky to have had that experience.
Here in India, it's amazing. It's mind-blowing. The energy, the passion, the dedication, all the agent blazers here, really cool.
Yeah, it was a great experience for me because I am not, very familiar with Salesforce. I have been as part of QA for 3 years, and recently I started managing the project for 6 months to 1 year. So it was really good to see people and get a network between different people across experience, like from beginners to experts. Yeah, it was really a good experience.
It's been a great experience. Like it is coming back after 6 years. So last time I also attended for the first time in 2019. So now it has come back for like after 6 years. So it has been a wonderful experience. Lots of running here.
Yep, it keeps getting bigger and better every year. A lot more energy this year. Thoroughly enjoying it.
It has been an amazing experience. If you look around the energy of this place, I attended the hackathon. It's so amazing, and the TEDx. I have not seen such a huge crowd. It's the first time I am attending this one, and the huge crowd I've seen, I'm really amazed with it.
Despite being a Salesforce employee, I was staffing here for 3 shifts. I was in the Camp Mini Hack, helping out as a platform expert, helping out attendees for them to complete the challenges.
You should attend these events to know about Salesforce, to know about the community.
Amazing.
In one word?
Yes. In one word? Okay.
So this is my first time with Salesforce TDX, and I'm already enjoying the crowd and the vibes here.
And there were a lot of sessions, around 150 sessions. So yeah, we were confused which one to attend because all of the sessions like very knowledgeable and very great.
So this is my first event as a TD. It's joining TDs, and even I am in first time in Bangalore. So the experience is really amazing. I'm enjoying that.
I find people are very enthusiastic Salesforce lovers, I would say, because when I see the hackathon happening and people are showing the interest there, it is also a very the vibe is very good here.
I have decided to attend this TDX Salesforce for the first time. I came here, and yesterday also I attended some of the demo sessions here on Agentforce and some of the breakout sessions on Agentforce, and I found it so typical, like on the Gen AI era. How do you feel like what you can do with that Agentforce?